In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the coolant temperature sensor in this Volkswagen Beetle. Let's get into it. I'm going to take this hose off right here. This is for the secondary air injection. Just pop this off right here. And then right here, you just squeeze those clips and this comes right off. Now I'm going to remove the air box and the snorkel for ease of access and for visibility. It's going to make it a lot easier to see what's going on. This is optional. You don't necessarily have to take all of this off. Using some hose clamp pliers, I'm going to take this hose off right here. Just move the hose clamp. You can wiggle the hose back and forth. And slide it out. And this hose clamp, we're going to move this one as well. Pop that off the air box. I'm going to disconnect the connector for the mass airflow sensor. There's a little lock underneath. You just push on that tab there and then it slides out. Right here there's two Phillips head screws. You want to take those screws out. This vehicle, they're already loosened. And this just flips up and comes out. Disconnect this connector right here. On the back there's a little tab. Just push down on the tab, slide it out, and then pull it out of the retainer and just set that aside. This hose clamp right here we want to move using the hose clamp pliers. Slide that to the side. And you can pull that off. Pull this hose out of that retainer. This hose goes over here. We want to take that hose out. Just twist it back and forth. Just twist that back and forth and pull that out. And this hose clamp right here. Just use these hose clamp pliers. Loosen that up. And just take that snorkel and slide it out. Disconnect the connector right here, just push down on the tab. You might need a pick or a screwdriver. And you just push that tab down. Disconnect that. Now there's a little retainer right here. You want to pull that retainer out. You can use a pick or a screwdriver. Now pull the sensor out. And there's going to be an O-ring in there. You want to pull that out as well. Now put a new O-ring on, just like that. You can take some silicone lubricant and just lubricate the O-ring, or some O-ring lubricant. Now slide that in position, just like that. And take this clip and just slide it in place. It's good like that. Take the connector, line it up, and lock it in place. Now line the snorkel up, get it in position, loosen up the hose clamps. Slide that over. Make sure the hose clamp is lined up properly. Might have to adjust it. That's good. And line this hose up. Move the hose clamp. That's good. Plug this hose in over here. This one's going to go over here. And just move the clamp. This connector is going to connect right here. Lock it down. Push down the retainer for the wire. Now line the airbox up. sure that you're not crushing the wires. And line the snorkel up. Just like that. Take the connector, line that up, lock it down. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, just tighten the screw down for the air box. Right there and right there. And take this hose, line this up on the air box, lock it down, and on the air pump, lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.